Welcome, my name is David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. When we're out on the road, we have to share the road, whether we're in our cars or a truck, on a motorcycle, maybe a pedestrian or bicyclist. And during that time we're on the road, we need to be extremely cautious about who else is on the road. Not long ago, the California legislature and Governor Jerry Brown signed into law a rule that required all motorists to stay a minimum of 3 feet away from bicyclists. That's a great law in order to help protect bicyclists. Unfortunately, many times, no matter what we do, there are going to be accidents that happen. Maybe it's because a person's distracted and they're driving and they don't see a bicyclist, or maybe it's at night and they miss that cyclist. And at times, there are going to be accidents between cars and bicyclists. In those situations, unfortunately, the bicyclist is going to take the brunt of the injury. And that cyclist is going to need to help prove that the motorist was responsible for their injury. Otherwise, they're not going to be able to recover for the injuries they sustained in that accident. So if you're a bicyclist and you've been involved in an accident, you want to obtain a couple of things. First, if there's witnesses at the accident, you want to make sure you get the names and information about the witness. You want to make sure you get the name and the information of the motorist that struck you. If a police officer has arrived, make sure that individual has access to all your information as well as obtains the information from the other people that are there. Because once the accident is over, if the names of the people who saw the accident are not preserved, then it may be much more difficult for you as an injured person to recover from that accident from a financial standpoint. So if you've been involved in an accident and you're on a bicycle, remember, you have rights. You should be protected both on the road while you're driving and then in a court of law. And you can contact the Inland Empire Law Group to help you find answers to the questions you may have regarding your rights as a bicyclist.